Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Sana Arif and I welcome you all in online class of Divisional Public School and College Sahiwal. Class 3, it is your English lesson, and by the end of this lesson you will be able to know what are antonyms. You will be able to know what are antonym of different words, and you will be able to write antonym of different words. Before we go ahead, first of all we should know that what are antonyms. An antonym is a word opposite in meaning to another word. In simple words, antonyms are opposite words. Right? What are antonyms बच्चों? Antonyms क्या हैं? Simply किसी भी word का opposite है. तो एंटोनम और ऑपोजिट सेम वर्ड हैं एक ही टाइप के वर्ड्स के लिए. हियर आर सम एग्जांपल्स ऑफ एंटोनम्स लाइक स्मॉल, बिग, अर्ली, लेट, लव, हेट, ओपन, क्लोज, ओल्ड, न्यू एंड यंग. दिस टॉपिक इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. If you will learn it, it will help you in your writing and in your speaking. So you have to be very conscious and you will listen it very carefully. ठीक है, तो आपकी राइटिंग में, आपकी लैंग्वेज के अंदर ये टॉपिक आपको बहुत हेल्प आउट करेगा. आपने बहुत सारे एंटोनिम्स इनके अलावा भी सुने होंगे लाइक थिन, फैट, टॉल, शॉर्ट, डे, नाइट, हाई, लो, ब्राइट एंड डल. Let's watch some pictures. Like here is a picture of a lion and lion is big. And there is a cat and cat is small. So this big is the word and small is its antonym. And if small is there, big will be its antonym. Okay जी, and you will be revising it with me. मेरे साथ साथ आप प्रैक्टिस करते जाएं. Okay जी, what is this? Open, right. Open and what is it? Its antonym? Yes, very good. आप बहुत easily इसको पढ़ सकते हैं. That is close. And if there is close, it will be, its antonym will be open. Okay ji, what is the next word? That is old. Antonym is young. It can be new also. And if young is a word, you will be writing its antonym old. Right? They can be in both ways. Okay ji, our next word is love and antonym is hate. And if it is hate, antonym will be love. These were some simple words जो आप अपनी चाइल्डहुड से सुनते हुए आए हैं कि ये वर्ड है और उसका ऑपोजिट ये. एंटोनिम मीन्स ऑपोजिट. ठीक है, तो आपने अपनी चाइल्डहुड से वर्ड सुने हुए हैं कि दिस इज द वर्ड और ये उसका एंटोनिम है. तो आज एक न्यू चीज़ हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. दैट इज नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एंटोनिम. Like how can you make some antonyms other than this? That is like you will be having a word, आपने उसका एंटोनिम लेना है तो आप सेम वर्ड के स्टार्ट में कोई प्रीफिक्स ऐड कर देंगे. प्रीफिक्स क्या होता है? प्री मीन्स बिफोर. तो उस वर्ड से पहले कुछ हम लेटर्स वर्ड को ऐड करें तो वो उसका प्रीफिक्स हो जाता है. लाइक यू आर हैविंग इन, अन, डिस. ठीक है, इस तरह के वर्ड्स हैं जो आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं. दैट इज रेलिवेंट टू योर एक्सरसाइज बी ऑफ योर रिसोर्स पैक. दैट इज अन. Like you can see in the example, word is seen. You have added "un" before the seen and it became its antonym, unseen. Like word was seen and after adding an prefix it became unseen. Kind, again do the same. With the same word, add "un" before it, it will become its antonym or opposite. That will be unkind. Right? Next word we are having here, that is willing. Do the same. Okay ji, very good. Everybody is able to do it. Yes, you all are right. That you will be adding "un" before the same word and it will become antonym of that word. Like willing and antonym is unwilling. Very good ji. I hope up till now everything is clear to you and you are able to do the exercise A and exercise B of your resource pack. Let's give you some home tasks. What is your home task? What is your homework? Your homework is this, that you will be practicing exercise A and B in your resource packs and get it checked by your teacher. I think so. By watching this video carefully, you will be able to write it down in your source pack by yourself. Even then, if you don't understand anything, consult your teacher. She will guide you and you can do it easily. Thank you so much and have a nice day.